Someone may be asking, how will it grow back because that's flat? One thing you should know with the arrowroots, whether they have the roots or not, they will still grow. What I'm going to have. Look at this delicious meal of mine. This is brunch. Hey, beautiful people. I just need to have breakfast before heading. We have this avocado over here, direct from the farm. This one here, I've also set the fire. It is still hot. And my githeri is over here. How we do it. Inamisha hapa chini soko. Guys, this is how they look. This is the seedling. It has to be, you have to make some holes before placing them in. Then these roots here, these are seedlings. They will grow back into beautiful people. This is the process we are going to follow until once we are done. You can see from the father's end over there, we are halfway the process. Hello, a very good morning to you, my esteemed viewers, my royal subscribers, and my YT family at large, wherever you're watching from this video. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Marwa Vlogs. To my returning subscribers, a big thank you for always finding time to come watch my videos. I don't take it for granted. If it is your first time to come across this channel, kindly hit the subscription button, not forgetting the notification bell to alert you whenever I upload a new video. It's a beautiful morning, guys, and the sun is already overhead. It has begun kissing my forehead, and I want us to go back and begin where we stopped yesterday. In my previous vlog you've watched, we were doing some harvesting of the green gold, a riverbank green gold, and we managed to harvest over 7 sacks. I don't want to be precise. Over 7 sacks, and per sack goes for when it is full on top the brim, it goes for like $12. If it is not full to the brim, it is $11. So you can calculate and see whatever we got yesterday from yesterday's harvest. This morning I want us to go and do some planting, because we have to replant immediately. I told you from my previous video, it just takes 6 months for it to grow or to mature before harvesting. It's just like corn. Corn takes 6 months to mature. At the same time, the arrowroots take 6 months. It takes 6 months to mature the arrowroots. That is. So it is the same thing. But one thing with the arrowroots, Now, there's no use of fertilizer. It doesn't have a lot of work compared to the corn farming. With the arrowroots, you just have to weed for like 2 to 3 times. No fertilizer needed. As long as there is a heavy rain or the garden or the farm is around the river bank, the moisture from the river makes it to flourish. But this time round, we didn't harvest a lot of arrowroots because there was a drought for a while. You know, it takes 6 months, and the first 3 months there was rain. The second phase there was no rain, so we harvested what we got yesterday. And with me, I have my bucket here. After the job, I need to carry some drinking water because the water from the well is basically used for cleaning or doing laundry, and the drinking water we always get it from the river. So keep on watching, comment, like and share. Let me know where you're watching from this beautiful morning as we head and finish up whatever we began yesterday. Once again, my name is Tendemaro Vlogs. Someone will be like, this route of yours, guys, it is so bushy. Someone told me, am I not afraid? No, this is how we roll here. This is where we usually follow or pass as we go to collect the river water. This is a typical African village life. Yeah, you see me, I see you. So keep on watching, comment, like and share. See you there. See how beautiful this river of ours looks. It isn't even a river, it is a stream. Yeah, the place now looks clearer than yesterday. Yesterday it was so bushy. I have to place my pail here. We can go and see whatever we need to do this morning. Let's go, guys. And you hear the sound of the water, just know that we have already arrived. This whole portion yesterday, it was occupied by arrowroots, our green gold, all the way to the farthest end. But right now you can see how it is looking. Yeah, so let's go, guys. Let's go to the farthest end. This is how it looks. I think rims and dots. Yeah. You can see there is a stream of water from up there, from the river. That is a trench where the water flows to the other end. You see? I want us to help my auntie to do it. Auntie, kurubu. Alright. Eh. Ukeva. Beautiful people, I'm finally in the farm. I need to get to work because everyone is working. I should stop slaying. I'm with my auntie, my .com auntie. Auntie, say hi.
Hi. How are you?
Let's get into work, guys, and show you what we usually do and how we usually do it. You know, first of all, we have to make some holes, then we can place in the seedlings. I told you we are not buying the seedlings. We are using the same stalk or stem of the arrowroot. I think I showed you in my previous video how it looks, and then you can plant them. Let me turn the camera and show you. This is the seedling. It has to be, you have to make some holes before placing them in. This is how it looks. Now I need to begin doing whatever I need to do. Now what I was telling you, this one over here, these are the seedlings. I think I showed you in my previous video how we came about these seedlings over here. So let's get to work and do whatever we need to do. Kanyobera haturire senti nkuriye. Jana sijui nani alikuwa ameweka Tommy Manunu.
Huyo tu kamera.
Kamera bali.
Sisi hatujuagi hizi vitu vile zina.
Unajua hiyo ni nyimbo ya mtu. Ukiweka una nani?
Unaweza ambiwa ulipe.
Unalipa. Ama unatolewa inatoka.
Hiyo mbino nkorenga bila kwa mahali. Yo ni kionde ngerege ndege chini hayo kumbe.
Ichi kama kanya ni chibi wari. Fahamu, ikichiba ichi.
Huyu cameraman yuko sawa.
Amefanya nini cameraman wangu?
Chana huyo.
Aga.
Devo vinda hata tubini milioni. Kana ya kibira ame. Bino binani bitanini. Bino bitanini. Niko mara bile ba.
Bino hata wange kutovera. Hata wange kutovera yora shere haji. Kera amere
lakini sikira akolo mungu manene.
Bino kuhota mpaka kirota kitaka.
Sike ngote ukanoke.
Say something back. Hara babu chonga chonga.
Alafu na urocha ate mirige. Ugatembi ate mirige no mokoma. Yeno ndibwe.
Sasa niyo kikwege nani?
Biyombe mirige. Ulicho nyorege merahan.
Ya babone nasa.
Ya benata ni.
Bembe.
Ai kurusi log.
Riai.
Someone may be asking, how will it grow back because it's that's flat? One thing you should know with the arrow roots, whether they have the roots or not, they will still grow. Whether I just leave it this way, it will still grow back. That's something funny about the arrowroot. Even these roots here, these are seedlings. They will grow back into a seed. So let's continue and do this how we do it. Inamisha hapa chini soko. Hivyo ndio naona ndio kifaa. So keep on watching, comment, like and share. See you once we are done or I'm done.
Kwagorogote. Wacha kugura ibiku bine.
Asa no, irabiri kikatai mripe seed. Beautiful people, this is the process we are going to follow until once we are done. You can see from the father's end over there, we are halfway the process. Keep on watching, comment, like and share. Let me know where you're watching from. See you once we are done. I need to get some water, and this is where we usually get our drinking water from. This is a chlorine dispenser. There's one over here. I think you've seen it several times. Yeah, it is 20-liter chlorine dispenser. Once you get your water, you just come and place it, you see, over there, and treat your water. Yeah, that is a community-based development being managed by the government. This is where we get our water from. This isn't my first time, guys, to show you this place. It has started developing a lot of dirt because it has been a while since it was cleaned. The other end. So let's clean our feet. I need to clean my gumboots, then get the water from there. Then we can head home, go and bring some breakfast for the people on the farm. Basically, that's how we roll here in Kenya, East Africa. This is my life whenever I'm back in the village. It is a lifestyle where it is just, you have to be on toes. And behind here is my auntie's banana garden. You can see from the other end. Let me turn the camera and show you. Over here, that is my auntie's banana garden. All the way up there. You know, I come from a family where they grow a lot of bananas. There is no any uncle of mine who doesn't have a banana farm. No one, no one. I need to clean my feet. Not even my feet, my gumboot. before fetching water, heading home. Oh my goodness. Oh my God. Beautiful people, time to go home. Oh my. I'm with my water over here. I need to go and look for and bring them breakfast. I feel so hungry already. It is around 11 a.m. Kenya East African time, and I need to go and have breakfast and also carry some and bring it here. I'm going to have sort of a brunch because 11 a.m. I don't think I will have lunch again. Yeah, and we're going to have a mixture of maize and beans and also the arrowroot. Yeah, pure organic breakfast. So keep on watching, comment, like and share. Let me know where you're watching from this beautiful mid-morning. My name is Tendemaro Vlogs. This typical African village life with my pail, bucket of water. Yeah, in the middle of a thicket. Life. Yeah. Pure gym. Here. Let's go, guys. Someone will be wondering how am I balancing. There is no African lady, especially from my community, who doesn't know how to balance a pot of water on top of her head. Because it is believed if you are a woman or a lady and you don't know how to balance, there is no way you'll balance your marriage. Something of that sort. Because In our culture, they believe if a woman knows how to balance her marriage will last. Yeah, that's how they believe. They do balance. Balancing is an act, and it needs a lot of training. So beautiful people. Let me see you back home once I arrive so that you can have breakfast and do something else. Hey, beautiful people. I just need to have breakfast before heading to the river so that I can go and take back for them their breakfast. This is brunch, not even breakfast. I'm going to have this because the arrow roots are over. By the way, it's going to stay here just to preserve the heat. It works like a hot pot. We don't need a microwave here in the village. Oh my God. Then I'm going to have breakfast from Indo. I'm going to have this avocado over here, direct from the farm. This one here, I've also tea. Beautiful people, it is already lunchtime. Huh? Yo, Barod. Yo for the avocado. Guys, this is what I'm going to have. Look at this delicious meal of mine. This is brunch. It's not cooking. Don't take it. Done. Fat avocado. These are typical brunch or breakfast in an African village. You know, someone works hard in the farm. You need to eat something that has a lot of carbohydrates or an energy-giving meal. This is our long time kettle. You just put it beside the fire. It's still hot. And my Githeri is over here. Let me enjoy